I can actually show you how to color grade your videos on CapCut for free, like 100% free. You don't need CapCut Pro for this, although there are some features that requires CapCut Pro, but you can do a lot of things with the free features. Look at this video that you're seeing here. This is the natural video. This is the natural video. You see how rough my face looks, right? Now this is the edited video. You can see that the two videos are not the same at all. This one that I did on CapCut is very much better, and that's what I use most time. Let's say I don't have time to apply makeup, I don't have time to do anything, I will say no problem, I will just pick my camera and do my video. After all, at the end I will still touch my video here and there and it will come out nice. On this particular video, you are going to be learning two things. One is how to color grade your video, and the second one is how to add transition to your video. So if this is what you want, you may want to stay glued till the end of this video, because this video is going to be as detailed as possible. First of all, come, let me show you how you can color grade your video to make it look like mine or even better than mine. So guys, I'll be sharing my screen with you all. So this is my video. I imported this video inside CapCut. Now I'm going to click on the video and I will see these options. So let me look for adjust. This is adjust. Under that white line you can see adjust there. I'm going to click on adjust. Here there is a lot that you can do here. You can choose to go to filter and make a lot of changes using filter. You make a lot of changes to your video using filter, and make sure that your internet connection is on. All right, I choose to share my screen in two places so that you can see what I'm doing and also see the changes on my video. I don't actually use filter. I love to adjust my video by myself, like to my own choice, you get. But if you want to use filter, you can still use it. These ones are free. You can check new, hit, live, and a lot of them, but no, I don't like filter. So what I do is that I go to adjust. Once I get to adjust, I start with brightness. One thing you should know is that the number of brightness, the number of contrast, the number of saturation that you will give your video depends on the lighting of your video when shooting your video. So whenever you are shooting your video, make sure that your video have enough light. You can stay outside and shoot it, or if you have enough light inside your room, you can do that inside your room and it is still okay. So first of all, I go to brightness. Whenever I shoot outside, I don't really need too much brightness. I'll just take it like 2+1 or +2. Then I go to contrast. No, I don't really like contrast, so I'll just take it to -2. I go to saturation. I take it to -2 or -4, depending on the lighting of my video. Okay, so the numbers of your own should depend on the lighting of your video. Also, your camera quality matters. You need a good camera quality. If your camera is not in good quality, then you need lighting to help your camera. So sometimes I take my saturation to +3, sometimes depending on the quality of the video. Then the next thing I do is to go to brilliance. I take it to just +3. Then sharpness, I take it to 50 or 48. Then I'll go to HSL. HSL is just the increase in color. This is what you use to increase or decrease the color of anything around you. For example, this red, you can see as I click on the red color, then I click on saturation, you can see the changes on my clothes. That red color on my clothes. Then look at the yellow color. Can you see the changes there? So that is the work of the HSL. Any color that is in your background, you can use HSL to change it. Then after that, once I'm done with all the changes, I'm going to click on this check on that good up there, then move to the other one. The next in line is graphs, and trust me, I don't really do much on graphs. I don't think I do anything on graphs at all. Then we move to highlights. Sometimes I take my highlights to +5, sometimes to +2. Yes, just to increase a little. It's more like adding brightness, just a little brightness to your video. Then shadows, there are no shadows on my video, so no need to touch it. Then the white, I'm going to just take it to +2, and you can see the changes on my video, right? Then this temp is something like bringing out the blue color. When your video is too red, you can just use this temp to reduce it. Okay, so after everything, I clicked on apply to all. That's all I need for my video to come out well. I clicked on apply to all, and this is my video. Can you see it on the other screen? Wow, it came out nice. Then let's move to makeup. So on the same line, you are going to click on retouch. Look at it there, retouch. Then you click on face. Okay, when you click on face, it brings you to this interface. Can you see it? This first one here, auto style, they are pro version. So you are going to click on this sign so that you go back and then look for retouch. Under retouch, you are going to look for smooth. Let's smoothen the face first. So this is smooth. You can see it applying on my face. I will take it to 50. Yes, I'll take the smooth to 50 for my face to be very smooth. Then I'll click on white teeth, then whiten my teeth. Can you see it? I'll just whiten my teeth so that my teeth will be very white. I'll just take it to 50. I think 50 or 60, but 50 is okay for me now. Then I will go to makeup, go to natural. Okay, then reduce it. I don't really like too much makeup. Okay, then I'm going to reduce it to 15, 16, 17, around that kind of number. I'm going to reduce it because I don't like too much makeup. If you are the type that love makeup a lot, you can just increase your own. Then I'll go to lipstick. See my lipstick here now. Let me choose this. You can choose any of these. Oh, this is very beautiful. Okay, this is blue, this is green. No, I don't like this. Let me just choose this one and then reduce it. Okay, can you see it here? Wow, this is so beautiful. Then I'll go to eyeshadow. I don't really like much eyeshadow, so I'm going to just choose the one that is very light. Let me just choose the one that is very light. Okay, I think this is okay. Okay, you can just compare. All the ones that has a blue diamond are pro versions, so choose the one that doesn't have any diamond if you are using free CapCut. Then I'll go to eyelashes. I love eyelashes a lot, so I'm going to choose the one that has a that the lashes came out very well. I'm going to choose the one that has big lashes on it. Okay, so I think this one is okay. Okay, once I'm done, I'm going to click on apply to all and click on confirm, and guys, see it now. This looks so beautiful. So this is how I want to look. The quality of your own depends on how you want to look. You can either choose a heavy makeup or just choose a light makeup or a normal one. Okay, so now this is how you color grade your video and make it to come out nice. Then it is time to add transition to our video. So did you see that line there in the middle of that two videos? That is where you can add the transition. So you click on the line. The reason for this transition is just so that your video will not be boring to your audience. Like, it makes your video to come out very nice. So you are going to click on that line. It brings us to where we can add so many transitions. You can see a lot of transition here. You can see trending, you can see new, you can see like a whole lot of it here. As you're adding the transition, it is showing on your video. Okay, so you will be seeing it on your video when you're adding the transition. You can see my own there. You can choose as much as you want, but each line gets one transition. Then you have to drag it here. It's normally 0.1 second. Just pin. That's how I just like my own. But if you want your own to take time a little, you can take it to 5 seconds, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, depending on your choice. So once you see any transition that you like, you are going to set the duration and then click on that check. So now you are going to locate the next line. You are going to locate the next line and then add your transition there. On the second time, you may want to choose another transition because I don't want all my videos to have same transition. No, I like to choose different transitions. So you are going to choose another transition for the next video that will enter, that will transit. Do you understand? So this is what you do to all the places that you want to add transition to your video. If there is any part that you want to add transition to your video, you just split that video and click on the white line and add the transition. This same transition can also serve as animation, or you can as well choose animations, like adding animations to your video, adding effects to your video. These three things, transition, animation and effects, they do a lot to your video. They make the video to be so entertaining. Okay, and this same process is also the same way that you can add transition to your video on InShot, in case you are using InShot to edit your video, or you are using Adobe Premiere Pro, or you are using CapCut to edit your video. It is the same process that you follow to add transitions, animations and the effects. Okay, In case you don't know how to use CapCut properly, I have a tutorial on how you can edit with CapCut from A to Z. Like, it is beginner friendly. Okay, you can just check my videos and you will see it there. I also have a tutorial on how to edit with InShot or Adobe Premiere Pro. Any one of them, you can check my videos and you see it there. So guys, this is the end of this video. I will see you on my next video. Alright, thank you for watching. If you have any question or any comment, kindly drop it in the comment section.